What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have yet another new smartwatch from Noise, and this is something a lot of people have been eagerly waiting for. It's their all new Colorfit Ultra 2 Buzz, and the brand has sent us two color variants along with a special strap as well, and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So their all new Colorfit Ultra 2 Buzz packs all the features that you would want on a smartwatch. It's got AMOLED display, it's got Bluetooth calling support, IP68 dust and water resistant, and plenty of other features which we'll be talking about in this video. Let's get started with the unboxing. So packaging looks like pretty similar guys, just like the other Noise smartwatches. You've got the Colorfit Noise Ultra 2 branding everywhere, and at the back you've got some of its features mentioned. As I've told you, packs a beautiful 1.78-inch AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling support is also there, always on display is also available, and supports 100 plus port mode activity tracking. So that's it, and the watch is available in 4 different color variants, and today we have olive green and vintage brown in the house. So as usual guys, at the top you've got an accessory box which includes some paperwork. Make sure to read that, and that is it. There you go, our brand new smartwatch in the hand. And as I've told you, this is the olive green edition with copperish sort of accents. And hey, it actually looks quite premium. We'll just come back to this in a moment. And lastly, in the package you get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging. That is it. These are all the stuff you got in the package. Now let's check out the smartwatches. We've got the olive green variant on the left and vintage brown on the right. So what do you think? Which color did you like? Personally, I kinda like the green color stuff guys, suits my taste. Vintage brown is also good, but it's slightly towards purplish lavender side, so more suitable for girls, that is what I think. And this is the strap that I was talking about that the brand has sent us. They also offer sporty variant straps, and you can replace these straps anytime you want. You'll have to buy them separately. So I'll just give you a closer look at the smartwatch and talk about the design and the build quality. So this is how the Ultra 2 Buzz smartwatch looks like guys, and let me tell you, initial impressions, smartwatch looks quite premium and beautiful. I love the color of the straps guys, olive green, and well matches these copperish sort of accents. Though I felt copperish accents could have been slightly a bit down and maybe towards gold side, but okay, this is also fine. Talking about build quality is good. Looks like the body is made of polycarbonate material but with a metallic sort of finish. There's only one multi-function button to the right side, and that is it. And if you're wondering where the mic and speaker are, there you go, mic is on the bottom corner, and this is where you've got the speaker. As I've told you, it's got Bluetooth calling support, right? So these are mandatory. And going to the back side, you've got a beautiful glossy finish in black, and you've got your sensors and stuff over here. Talking about the straps, quality of the straps, as usual guys, Noise makes some pretty good quality straps, feel soft and durable. And also look at the detail guys, attention to the detail, very nice. And good thing, as I've told you, you can replace and customize the straps as per your requirement anytime in future. So that is it, our complete overview on the design and build quality. So what I'll do is I'll use these smartwatches for a few days and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this smartwatch for quite some time, and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. We'll be talking about different aspects of this smartwatch guys, so make sure to watch this video till the end in case if you're planning to buy this model. Alright, first let's talk about the display. As I've told you, Colorfit Ultra 2 Buzz features a beautiful 1.78-inch AMOLED display guys, and let me tell you, this is one of the best displays Noise has ever offered on a smartwatch guys. I mean, look at it. It's got a resolution of around 368 by 448, and display looks absolutely gorgeous. There is good amount of detail. Everything looks so crisp and clear. Either it be any sort of messages, any sort of content you view on it, looks crystal clear. And talking about colors just pop out on the display. I mean, look at these colors guys. Now again, it's an AMOLED panel, so there is nothing less you can expect. And on top of that, looks like the display has 60 Hz refresh rate, because the whole animation, everything feels so smooth. Now this is what I was really looking for on a smartwatch. Noise, you guys are taking my feedback, so really appreciate that. And talking about brightness, see, it's got around 500 nits of brightness. Display can go really bright and is easily visible even in bright outdoor situations. No issues at all. On the overall guys, super happy and satisfied with the display quality on this smartwatch. And apart from that, since it is an AMOLED panel, yes, you do have always on display support available in two different options. You've got analog and digital style. You can set it to anything from the settings. And apart from that, yes, it does have raise to wake feature as well, and raise to wake function was also working very well most of the time, just as you see in the video. Now keeping that aside, now let me give you like a closer look at the smartwatch and show you the UI and built-in apps and features. So this is the home screen, and by default on the home screen you get around like 5 watch faces like pre-installed from the factory, but nothing to worry, you can download almost like 100 plus cloud-based smartwatches from NoiseFit compatible app. And if you want to change them, just click on the home screen like this, and there you go boys, you've got like plenty of watch faces available on this smartwatch. And one thing I do have to mention is at a time you can save only around like 5 smartwatches guys, and whenever you download a new one, the last one gets replaced. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. I really wish Noise would have given a little bit more storage. That would have been like pretty awesome. And apart from that, now swiping down on the home screen brings your notification panel. Here you can access all your recently received notifications or maybe any sort of missed call notifications. You can check out the whole content and all of that. And by swiping up on the home screen, you can access the status panel. Here it shows you Bluetooth connectivity status, battery level. Now here also they've taken feedback guys. They've finally included a battery level indicator. It exactly shows you how much percentage of battery is left. Very useful and thoughtful. Apart from that, you also have like a couple of shortcuts to direct settings, brightness adjustment, D&D mode, and these sort of stuff. And swiping left or right on the home screen, now you can quickly access all the widgets present on the home screen. Now starting off, you've got all your health related stuff like 24/7 HR monitoring is available, blood oxygen SpO2 is also there, sleep data analysis, stress level measurement, and finally this is your widget overview. It shows you your today's day fitness activity levels, like how many steps you've taken, distance travel, calories burnt, and all of that. For a detailed analysis and summary, you can check out the NoiseFit compatible app. Moving down, you got your alarms and all your health related stuff again, and that is pretty much it. And are you guys looking at the menu movements? Look at this guys. Finally, I'm like super happy with the UI, especially in terms of fluidity and navigation guys. So you'll be like very happy with this particular smartwatch in terms of operation and usability. Now for example, if you want to access a complete list of apps and features present on it, you can do that simply by pressing this button on the right side. Just press that and there you go, the whole menu pops up. And in the noise health section, you can access complete health related solutions guys. All of these are available here. And this is your Bluetooth calling feature, Noise Buzz. So basically it's got like your contacts loaded up. You can save almost like 10 different favorite contacts. I've got my mom and dad contact, direct shortcut. I can just click on that and place a call to them. You've got your call history available as well, and a dedicated number pad also. You can dial in any number and talk to that person directly from the smartwatch. You don't even need to take out your smartphone from your pocket. I'll give you a demo of that also in a moment. And in the clock related section, you've got all your timer, alarm, stopwatch, and world clock is also available. And this is your sports workout section. We'll come there in a moment. And you've got your remote music player available, weather data analysis, watch faces, stocks is also available. You can actually load your favorite stocks and keep a track on them from the smartwatch itself. And lastly, in the settings, you can change a couple of things like adjust watch brightness, or maybe like screen timeout, always on display settings, raise to wake function, or you can even set it to like silent or vibration mode. And that is pretty much it. These are all the available settings and apps and features on this particular smartwatch. Now let me tell you about the health related features. As I've told you, Ultra 2 Buzz features like plethora of health related functions and packs almost everything guys. You've got your 24/7 HR measurement available, blood oxygen SpO2 is also there, and sleep data analysis, stress level measurement. All of these can be easily accessed using Noise Health Suite application package. And let me tell you, I've been using it for the last few days, right? And sensors on it were doing a good job, especially for like SpO2 measurement or 24/7 HR. All of these were working well and giving accurate results almost 95% of the time. Talking about the sports and fitness related stuff, as I've told you, Colorfit Ultra 2 Buzz supports almost 100 plus sport activity tracking. You've got all your walking, running, treadmill, cycling, lots of stuff is available over here. You just need to click on any of those activities and watch will start measuring variety of things like how many steps you've taken, distance traveled, calories burnt, and also your 24/7 HR monitoring data as well. And it will give you a complete analysis on the compatible app on your phone. Again though, one thing you'll have to keep in mind is there is no GPS available on board, but it does support in-app GPS tracking, so you can use your smartphone's GPS for geolocation data. Alright, now comes the fun part. Let me tell you about the Bluetooth calling feature. So this particular watch supports Bluetooth calling. It's got like onboard microphone and speaker, and all you need to do is just open the app and open noise buzz over here and open dial pad. Literally dial in any number and you can place a call and directly talk to that person from the smartwatch itself. You don't even need to use your smartphone out of your pocket. Now keeping that aside, let me tell you about the microphone quality and call quality experience, guys. So during the past few days, I've used the Bluetooth calling feature plenty of times, and let me tell you, microphone quality on the smartwatch is like pretty good, guys. The other person couldn't distinguish like whether it was a smartwatch or a smartphone. He could clearly hear and understand what I was speaking, and microphone quality was great. And talking about the speaker quality was also fine. It was producing like good quality audio. I could easily understand though, but I felt audio output was a bit less, so you might have a bit of issues understanding in like noisy environments, especially like outdoors or maybe in traffic. But indoors it was fine, no issues at all. Let me give you like a small demo. Let me just place a call using this dial pad and show you how the speaker on it sounds like.
మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ సరైనది కాదు. దయచేసి మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ని సరిచూసుకోండి. The number you have dialed is invalid. Please check the number you have dialed.
We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. Now, as expected, guys, Bluetooth calling smartwatches have a mediocre sort of battery life, and same was the case over here. But on a typical sort of day-to-day usage now, if you use a smartwatch with brightness set to around like 60% and you're doing a bit of physical activities using those sensors, HR related data once in a while, and you're also getting a bit of notifications like very rarely, then you can expect around like 6 to 7 days of battery life, guys, per charge. But if you're like a very heavy user, you use that Bluetooth calling feature a lot with always on display also enabled, you can only expect around like 1 to 1.5 day of battery life, guys. Well, that's it, our video on Noise's brand new Colorfit Ultra 2 Bus. Very good smartwatch at this price point. You're getting a beautiful 1.78-inch AMOLED display with always on display support. Bluetooth calling is also there. It's IP68 dust and water resistant and has all your health and fitness related features covered on this model. Only thing I felt is, since it has like a microphone and speaker, brand could have given like an onboard storage and maybe, offline music player. That would have been like pretty awesome, right? And lastly, I felt battery life could have been slightly better on this thing. That's it. Apart from that, everything else was fine. Talking about the price, so this particular smartwatch will be going on sale for around 3,999 rupees as a special launch day offer, and later the price will go back to its original price of around 4,999 rupees. So if you've got plans to buy this thing, launch day is the best day. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that is it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see you all in my next one.